Need an extra layer of privacy for your Telegram account? Follow along as I walk you through enabling passcode lock so your chats stay protected and only you can open the app. Start by launching the Telegram app on your smartphone. Before you begin, take a moment to check that you're running the latest version. Updating the app helps you access the newest security features, bug fixes, and performance improvements. If an update is available, install it and then reopen Telegram. After opening the app, head over to the settings section. On iPhone, you'll find it at the bottom of the screen, while Android users can access it from the menu. Inside settings, tap privacy and security to view the options related to your account's protection. Scroll down until you reach the security category. Here, tap passcode lock to open its settings. Switch the feature on by tapping the toggle. Telegram will immediately prompt you to create a 4-digit passcode. Enter a code that you'll remember but that others won't easily guess. When asked, enter the same code a second time to verify it. As soon as the passcode is confirmed, the lock becomes active. From this point on, Telegram will ask for your passcode whenever the app is locked and reopened. You can also explore additional options like setting an auto-lock timer, which automatically locks the app after a period of inactivity. If your phone supports biometric authentication, you can enable Fingerprint or Face ID unlocking for faster and more secure access without typing the passcode every time. That's all there is to it. Your Telegram account is now better protected with passcode lock, helping prevent unauthorized access to your chats, media, and personal information while giving you greater peace of mind whenever you use the app.